Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable real-time scan on Snapchat.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, select gear option. Now, scroll until you can find the real-time scan option. And then tap on the button beside snap codes. And that's it. Now, Snapchat will enable real-time scan for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.